here's how you can join the Google Meet with a link on the iPad. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, well, at first you want to make sure you have the Google Meet app downloaded on your iPad. Like you go to the App Store, get the app, then you sign in with your account. So you want to make sure that it's all like working properly and that you can start the video calls, and then you need to access the link. So it's likely somebody has shared that with you over email, or it's part of the calendar event, or whatever it happens to be. Like I can literally have it in my notes, right? And once I have the Google Meet app ready, all I have to do is just to click on the link. As such, it's going to show you that this is the meeting which I'm going to access. I only have to confirm it once again by clicking on the join button below. You can see at the bottom, I can tell which account I'm like using to join the thing. You can of course turn off the microphone or camera, and yeah, so many other things are available, but then you just confirm it by clicking in the join and you are part of that. So right now you are joined in that Google Meet with just a link. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. It should be really simple. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. In case of any questions, use the comment section below. You can ask whatever, and perhaps me or someone else might have the answer for you. So thanks a lot. I really appreciate it, and I'll talk to you later in the next videos as well.